Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the backup file exists in Google Drive, an SD card, or your phone maker's cloud. Use Wi-Fi and a charged phone. Don't rely on cellular data because large restores can fail. Sign in to the same Google account, and once done, install or reinstall the messaging app you'll restore to so the app can detect the backup. This first step prevents mismatches and ensures the restore process can begin immediately without account or storage errors. Now perform the actual restore. Open your messaging app, go to Chats and Chat Backup, and pick the backup by date. If using Google Drive, tap Restore and grant permissions. If it's a local file, copy the backup to the app/backup/folder and then trigger Restore. Allow storage and messages permissions so the app can merge databases. This may take minutes depending on size. Make sure you do not interrupt the process, because partial restores can corrupt threads or lose media. Finish by checking that messages, attachments, and timestamps match expectations. Scroll several threads to confirm integrity. If anything's missing, force close and reopen the app, then recheck. If restore failed, confirm you used the same account and that there's enough storage, and consider renaming the local backup to the app's required file name before retrying. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app or use the phone maker's recovery tool. These steps resolve most stubborn restore errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.